coming down the Mississippi River just before Memphis, and a storm got spun around into against current, and so my anchor rod came down, wrapped around the keel here, and set over there. Mississippi River current was this way and pinning, and so couldn't get unwrapped. The guy who's on board with me thought we'd just drop up some rope real quick and it would just slide right off. I was pretty sure that wouldn't work, but I didn't think it could cause any damage. So just because we had to start trying something and generate some ideas, or we were going to be in a lot of trouble. So I bunched up some rope, reset the cleat, dropped it over, and so then it just ran through here, and that in that nearly freezing cold water burned a track through this lead here with all that friction on the anchor rod, which just put us down actually more into current. That's what happened. Now I gotta see if I can fix it. So the torch did not work out well. The lead melted too fast, and I just torched the epoxy, which now is going to be popped way far back and rebuilt up. it.